morning. It's Saturday, 2 days before Earth Day, and we are going out to volunteer at the Plant a Million Corals Foundation. They are meeting up with Coastal Love, and Coastal Love is another volunteer organization that helps keep the coastlines healthy and safe. They clean up garbage, they plant mangroves to help with storm surges and hurricanes, and do all those good things for the coastline. And Plant a Million Corals, we've talked about many times. We go out and volunteer with them often. If you don't know what they do, check out our video on that. I'll put a link above for you. Anyway, we're gonna go out there. They're meeting up today to do some Earth Day activities. We're gonna go plant some mangroves that Plant a Million Corals have been raising since little pods for Coastal Love. So we'll check that out today, and we're gonna bring you guys with us.
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
I'm helping out in the classroom today, educating people about what Plant a Million Corals does, and Nick is out in the yard helping direct people through tours to see the actual corals. And then we have Coastal Love outside educating people about use of fabric shopping bags and not using plastic bags, and the mangroves and mangrove restoration. So we're all working as a team out here. The fire department just pulled in. They're gonna be set up out there to educate people about whatever they want to do there. See you guys all later.
I love Earth Day because it's a global reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve our planet. Now more than ever, it's crucial for us to unite and work towards sustainable solutions. By pitching in together, we can make a significant difference, whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, switching to renewable energy, supporting conservation efforts, or simply making environmentally conscious choices in our daily lives. Every action counts. Red mangroves play a vital role in the Florida Keys' ecosystem. They offer crucial benefits such as coastal protection from erosion and storm surges, biodiversity hotspots for both plant and animal species. They maintain water quality by filtering pollutants, and they're highly efficient at capturing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to reduce the rate of global warming. Coral reefs provide many of the same earth-saving functions as red mangroves. By protecting our coastlines, supporting 25% of all marine species, sequestering carbon dioxide, and in addition, they support fisheries, offer food security, and play a major role in tourism and recreation. As we conclude our Earth Day adventure, it only seems right to go out and enjoy this planet we call home. As we marvel at the colorful fish and corals swaying beneath the waves, we're reminded of the interconnectedness of our actions and the health of the planet. I know that we choose to celebrate this great Earth not only today, but every day by taking action to protect and cherish the beauty of our planet, and we hope that you will too. Oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface and are vital for life on our planet. They're one of our biggest life support systems. producing over half the world's oxygen while absorbing 30% of carbon dioxide emissions. When you think about it, oceans are mind-blowing, and their health affects every single person in the world. I think it's amazing that not only are they home to the world's smallest and largest known species, but supply food to roughly 40% of the world's population, play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, influence our weather patterns, contain medicinal life-saving compounds, support many different industries that help our economies thrive, and hold significant cultural value for many societies. This is why we will always do our best to help protect and support conservation of our beautiful oceans here on Earth. We all share a common home here on Earth, and it's up to each of us to do our part in safeguarding it for future generations. Together, we can create a healthier, more sustainable planet for all. If you enjoyed today's episode, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next Tuesday on another adventure.